Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is mineral salts are absorbed by the roots from the soil in the form of A. Very dilute solution, B. Dilute solution, C. Concentrated solution, and D. Very concentrated solution. So the correct option is A. Very dilute solution. The next MCQ is plant always take their food A. Inorganic form, B. Inorganic form, C. In solid form, and D. Insoluble form. So the correct option is D. Insoluble form. The next MCQ is the first step in photosynthesis is A. Photolysis of water, B. Formation of ATP, C. Excitement of in electron of chlorophyll by a photon of light, and D. Formation of NADPH. So the correct option is C. Excitement of an electron of chlorophyll by a photon of light. The next MCQ is in which of the following process the light energy is converted into chemical energy? A. Digestion, B. Respiration, C. Fermentation, and D. Photosynthesis. So the correct option is D. Photosynthesis. The next MCQ is in light phase of photosynthesis there is formation of A. ATP and NADH2, B. NADPDP, and C. ATP and D. Carbohydrates. So the correct option is A. ATP and NADP2. The next MCQ is what is the source of oxygen liberated in a photosynthesis? A. CO2, B. H2O, C. Carbohydrates, and D. Photosynthetic enzyme. So the correct option is B. H2O. The next MCQ is during direct reaction of photosynthesis. A. Water splits. B. CO2 is reduced to organic compound. C. Chlorophyll is activated. And D6 carbon sugar is broken down into 3 carbon sugar. So the correct option is B. CO2 is reduced to organic compounds. The next MCQ is Saline of saliva acts in A. Slightly alkaline medium, B. Slightly acidic medium, C. Neutral medium, and D. All type of media. So the correct option is B. Slightly acidic medium. The next MCQ is bile juice assists in digestion of fats by A. Emulsifying the fats, B. Contributing a lipolytic enzymes, B. Stimulating secretion of lipase, and D. Increasing the alkalinity of digestive medium. So the correct option is A. Emulsifying the fats. The next MCQ is liver cell secretes A. Amylopsin, C. Trypsin, C. Bile juice and no enzyme, and D. Digestive enzymes. So the correct option is C. Bile juice and no enzymes. The next MCQ is protein digestion requires A. Proteases, C. Peptidase, C. Proteolytic enzymes, and D. All of these. So the correct option is C. Proteolytic enzymes. The next MCQ is some proteolytic enzymes are A. Pepsin, erepsin, pepsin, B. Amylase, lipase, thymase, C. Amylase, uh, trypsin, and D. Phytolin, all of these. So the correct option is A. Trypsin, erepsin, pepsin. The next MCQ is which of these is a group of end product of carbohydrate digestion? A. Glucose, galactose, fructose, B. Sucrose, galactose, maltose, C. Galactose, glucose, maltose, and D. Lactose, maltose, glucose. So the correct option is A. Glucose, galactose, fructose. The next MCQ is pancreatic juice takes part in digestion of A. Proteins, carbohydrates, B. Proteins, fats, carbohydrates, C. Proteins only, and D. Proteins and fats. So the correct option is B. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.